In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel your subscription here in pCloud. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and I want you to click your profile icon on the top corner and click the settings. Here, if you aren't subscribed to a premium plan, you would notice that you have the option for the billing or subscription. But in my case, I only have the payment history. Why? Because I am using the free trial or the free plan from pCloud. So I don't have anything invoiced to me. As you can see, I'm using the free plan. And for me to be able to have a subscription, all I have to do is super simple. I need to click the upgrade to premium. You just have to avail any of the following plans: the premium, premium plus, 2 terabyte, and ultra. For example, I went up to the premium. All I have to do is follow the on-screen instructions, select the payment method, and of course, enter all of these. Now, once I've paid and subscribed to a plan, I now have the ability to cancel it by going to the billing and subscription tab. Okay? Now, if you see the current subscription here, all I have to do is click the cancel option. It's super simple. All right? And then follow the on-screen steps. Confirm your choice, and the subscription will not renew, but you still have full access until the end of your paid period. Now, if you are having issues on canceling your subscription plan here in pCloud, all I have to do is super simple. Go to the help center. Sometimes it happens. You might want to type in your question and to get some answers or guide on how to do it, or you can reach out to one of their customer specialists. Type your answer. If you have a screenshot, that would be better so that they can better troubleshoot your issue. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to cancel your pCloud subscription. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.